Shout out to them people. Mad ethnic right now.
I get it how I live it.
Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out this video. So today's video is all about a new synthetic wig that I am super excited about. It's a wig that I reviewed already in 2 other lengths, but now they've come out with a 3rd length, and you guys know I had to just snatch it up because I loved it in the other 2 lengths. So the unit that I'm talking about is BEA in 30 inch. So if you want to check out the new main concept BEA in 30 inches, then definitely keep on watching. Alright you guys, before I show you what we all came to see, you know you have to do one thing for me. Come on, you already know what it is. You can tell me. Just whisper it in my ear. It's going to make me feel so good when you say it. Subscribe! That's right. Subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on post notifications so you never miss a new upload from me. Alright you guys, this is BEA and she is in 30 inches and I am pumped. If you can't tell, I'm super excited because BEA is definitely, it has to be, I don't know for sure, but it has to be one of their best selling units because they keep coming out with new renditions of it and I'm here for it. I'm here for it. Alright, so this one is a middle part. Okay, true to BEA form, this is a middle part. I do have her in the color number 2. All the other colors were sold out, you guys. 2 combs right by the part, comb in the back, 2 adjustable straps. This is how she looks on the stock card. You know that pastel, both of those pastels were screaming my name, but they were definitely sold out. I did get this unit from Sam's Beauty, so thank you so much, Sam's, for sponsoring this video. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take this unit off. If you're curious about this one, then definitely click the link in the information bar or the link that's up here or here. I never know where to point to, you guys. And it'll give you all the details on this unit, but make sure you finish watching this video first.
See my gypsy girl, she's something to myself. She wants to wind. She be money on my place, she looking on my eye order. He wants to wind. She be moving so quick, you never see her coming.
She wants to wander.
She had me here,
Yeah.
not so say.
She wants to wander, want get high grade. From a distance, baby, I'm going insane. Red Cross, baby, come to my aid. Shorty said he busted my brain like a migraine. Your gain, my gain, your loss, my pain. Slow down, the way you go down. You know now me they run the whole town. King of the city, cause I wear that gold crown. So give it up for bad man, better than Batman. I didn't impress these dogs and kill these cats, man. Rats, man, these other guys are rats, man. When I get on stage, all they do is clap, man. So make you join me in my Bugatti. Join me in my Bugatti. Only you in my Bugatti. Only you in my Bugatti.
See my gypsy girl, she's something to myself. She wants to wind. She be money on my place, she looking on my eye.
Alright you guys, so this is BEA in 30 inches and I promise you, whenever I've seen super duper long units like this, they sort of scare me a little bit, so I've kind of stayed away from the super duper long synthetic units because I feel like you're just asking for trouble, right? Like synthetic units only last but so long anyway, even with really taking care of them. So of course the longer you go, the more troubles you have with the synthetic unit. So 30 inches or 40 inches of synthetic hair like really scares me, and I've never done it before. But since I've loved BEA so much, and I was really late on the BEA train, like, to be honest, like people had reviewed BEA and BEA was like a huge smash hit like years and years before I even found BEA. But since I loved BEA so much, when I saw BEA was in 30 inches, I was like, this is the unit that I will take the leap of faith with. And I'm so glad I did. I absolutely love this unit. I think it looks really like dreamy and just really like wavy goddess goodness. I just think it's so beautiful. This is statement hair. And I love it. I love the way it flows. It really is a virgin hair dupe. Like, every time I put on a BEA, no matter what the length is, it truly looks like natural wave to me, like Brazilian bundles of natural wave. The flow of it, the texture, the way that it moves, like, I love it. I love it. So I knew that I would take a chance on BEA 30, and I'm not disappointed. I combed through the whole unit, brushed through the whole unit. I did not get a single tangle. I did not get a single shedding. So yeah, I'm just really pleased. I have to admit, I'm very, very pleased with this unit. Now, of course, longevity for a synthetic 30-inch unit, don't get your hopes up, sis. Like, I know I'm giving it the little stamp of approval, but let's be realistic. It's not gonna last a lifetime. You know, 4 or 5 wears, 5 good long, you know, some hours worth of wear, you're gonna start to see her start to have some problems. You might have to cut a couple inches off here and there, and you know, but for the most part, you know, this unit is gorgeous. It's gorgeous. And if you want to make a splash, you want to make a statement, I think that this is a really cute one, especially if you're not one for big bombshell curls. Now, me personally, I love bombshell curls, but if I'm gonna get something wavy and a little bit, you know, subdued, I definitely love this one. And I actually really like the layers that are cut in this one. I wouldn't change a thing. So let me know what you guys think about BEA in all the different inches. Would you ever try BEA 30-inch? If you are interested in this one, you can check her out on samsbeauty.com, and I will leave a link in the information bar down below. Make sure you guys are following me on all my social media, especially Instagram and Facebook. That's where you can keep up with me, like, to the minute. I am constantly posting on there, and you'll definitely be the first to know whatever I have going on if you're following me. Alright, you guys, and make sure you're commenting down below, you're liking this video, and sharing it with your wig wearing bestie, and stay tuned for the slow-mos.